Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable dance floors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ink Store's 3x3 Practice Dance Floor. If you are looking to replace your old portable dance floor, you should consider this pick from Ink Stores. It comes in 3 colors such as dark maple, slate black, and slate white. It is easy to assemble or disassemble as you can lay it flat when you dance or practice dancing, and you can pack it back when you finish. The unit includes 12 beveled edge pieces. This floor can be used to practice the dance like ballet, jazz, contemporary, hip-hop, lyrical, flamenco, or tap. It also can be used for ballroom, event or social dance. It is ultra durable, which can withstand heels, taps, crowded parties, dance floors and more. This product will come along with a 12 warranty. Besides that, it is very easy to clean and maintain as you only need to sweep it or vacuum it. The material chosen is high-quality polypropylene. It can be used at a dance studio or home. Furthermore, adding this floor to your home can make your house more eye-catching because it has a sharp wood look and a smooth vinyl top. It also provides great sounds for dance tapping as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Flybold Wood Interlocking Flooring Tiles Solid Teak Wood Oiled Finish Pack. Over here, we have a much-loved portable dance floor from Flybold. This floor is designed to have UV protection. It is also anti-fade, which its color will not easily fade and still look best. It is made of pure teak wood, which has a strong base and not easy to get broken like regular wood. The PPC base is also durable, and it also can be used outdoors and indoors. To prevent the tiles from breaking and make it safer for the dancer, it can be built up without screws. It also has tiles and snaps locking mechanism that will make sure that the process of installing is easy. Panel covers are tightly clocked together and it will not wobble, too. Plus, it is also easy and simple to disassemble, too. It can be used in your backyard, poolside yard, deck, shower, porch, patios, sauna, terrace, garden, deck and more. Flybold will guarantee over its UV protection ability for 1 year. At number 3, we have the Greatmats.com Portable Dance Floor Wood Grain 5x5 FT Kit Tap Dance for Studios. The following portable dance floor is from Greatmats. This guy is available in 3 colors such as dark oak, maple, and walnut. Not only this floor can be used for clogging and tap dancing, but it also can be used for many different types of dancing as well, such as flamenco, Irish, ballroom, banquet, hip-hop, Latin, jazz and more. It is portable, so that you can take it anywhere you want. Besides that, it is finished with a protective coating. It is non-absorbent and also resistant to water. In addition, it needs to be assembled, but the task is easy. The floor can be used on any smooth, flat or hard surface. The company also provides 5 years warranty. Each package will include 25 tiles. At number 2, we have the Greatmats Portable Dance Floor Wood Grain. There are 3 colors such as light oak, walnut and maple have been offered for you to choose from. It is manufactured in the United States. The floor is finished with a protective coating. It is built to be portable so that you can be transported to wherever you want. It is also resistant to water as well as non-absorbent. In addition, the floor can be used for any kind of dance including hip-hop, clogging, Irish, flamenco, jazz, tap dancing, Latin, ballroom, or banquet. It is also very convenient to assemble as no additional adhesive is required, and is also easy to disassemble as well. Package includes 16 tiles. You can buy this product with confidence since a 5-year warranty is provided. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rosco Greatmats Marley Dance Floor for ballet, jazz, lyrical dance, and drill. You can use it for any type of dance including jazz, ballet, hip-hop, lyrical, contemporary, flamenco, or tap. Moreover, you can dance bare feet or wear a soft shoe on it. Additionally, it is great to use at home, performance stage or dance studio. It is also finished with an anti-skid element, which will prevent dancers from slipping and getting injured. The floor is designed to be lightweight so you easily take it places. You can effortlessly roll it flat or also fold it in a snap. It is very easy to assemble as you can temporary floor it down or semi-permanent assemble it with ease. Each side of the floor has a different color, as the color of one side is black and the other side is gray, so you can choose to use whichever color you want. Plus, you can tap multiple pieces together, and it will create a larger area. This product is backed by a 3 years warranty. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.